Hello, welcome back to EPG. I am Greg, your host. Currently, it is about 7 a.m. In Helsinki. I'm making my way, walking to the central train station, so I'm going to take a train heading up to beautiful Rovaniemi, which is in the Arctic Circle. Join me. Not a bad little commute. There we are, truck number 9. Yeah, so here I am. I made it to my seat. I am going to be here for about 8 hours as we head up north. And yeah, thanks for coming with me.
Seuraavana Kokkola. Mesta Karleby.
So one of the cool things about Finnish trains is that they have phone compartments on their cars so that you can make phone calls while still being on the train and not annoy everybody, which a lot of people on Amtrak definitely, use a lesson in. Well, I made it to Rovaniemi, Finland, and I want to share with you something that I've never done before in my life. This is the first for me, hopefully for you, and one day I hope that you can achieve this new feat along with me. And right about here, I crossed into the Arctic Circle. This is the furthest north I've ever been in my life. and it's a great feeling. So I'm heading to my hostel right now. It's been a long day. I want to say thank you very much for your time. Get out there. See you soon.